welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll tell you how to fix battery draining so fast. Why is your iPhone battery draining faster all of a sudden? There are several factors that could be causing this. So in this video I'll tell you how can you fix this problem. But first, subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. The first step is check your iPhone battery health suggestion. For this, open the settings app. Next, scroll down and choose battery option. Next, tap on battery health and charging. Tap on it. Here you can check on your iPhone battery health and capacity. You can toggle on optimize battery charging and set a charging limit. Your iPhone will recommend the best option based on your usage. Tap on back at the top. On this page, your iPhone may suggest changes to the settings that will improve battery life. And you are done. And the next step is dim your iPhone screen if your iPhone keeps losing charge. For this, open the control center by swiping down from the top right corner of the screen. Next, tap and drag the brightness slider towards the bottom to lower your screen brightness. Now, you know to stop your iPhone battery draining quickly due to display brightness. And you are done. And the next step is turn on auto brightness to stop iPhone battery drain. For this, open the settings app. Next, scroll down and choose accessibility. Next, tap on display and text size. Next, scroll down to the bottom. Here you will see the option of auto brightness. Tap on its toggle button to enable it. And you are done. And the next step is turn off rise to wake. For this, open the settings app and then scroll down. Here you will see the option of display and brightness. Tap on it. Scroll down. Here you will see the option of rise to wake. Tap on its toggle button to disable it. And you are done. And the next step is update apps to keep your iPhone battery from dying fast. For this, open the App Store on your iPhone. Next, tap on your profile at the top right corner of the screen. Scroll down. Here you will see all the apps that needed to be updated. Then tap on update all and update all the apps and you are done. And the next step is remove unnecessary widgets. For this, swipe left on your home screen. Here you will see widgets. Tap on an widget. Next, tap on remove widget. Next, tap on remove to confirm. And you are done. And the next step is try restarting if your iPhone is drying really fast. For this, you just need to press and quickly release the volume up button and do the same with the volume down button and press the power button. Next, slide to power off and after some time press the power button again until you see the Apple logo on your home screen and you are done. And the next step is turn off background app refresh to save iPhone battery life. For this, go to settings. Next, scroll down and go to general option. Next, scroll down. Here you will see the option of background app refresh. Tap on it. Next, tap on again background app refresh at the top. Next, choose off and you are done. And the next step is adjust location services to keep your iPhone battery from draining too fast. For this, go to settings. Next, scroll down and go to privacy and security option. Next, tap on location services. Select individual apps to choose when location services can be used. If the app never needs to know your location to be fully functional, go ahead and select never. You can also choose to toggle off precise location if the app does not need to know exactly where you are. And you are done. And the next step is turn on low power mode. For this, open the control center by swiping from the top right corner of your screen. And then tap the battery icon to turn on the low power mode and you are done. I hope this video will help you to fix battery draining so fast after updating iOS 18.4.1 and also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.